A new report suggests the damage inflicted on U.S. military bases during the Iranian war is far greater than publicly disclosed. The report says Iranian strikes hit key American installations across West Asia, including the U.S. Fifth Fleet headquarters in Bahrain, major bases in Kuwait, and even advanced THAAD and Patriot missile defense systems in the UAE and Jordan. It raised serious questions about the vulnerability of America's regional military network. Here's a report.
The true scale of damage to U.S. military assets in West Asia may have been far worse than Washington publicly admitted. According to an investigation by the Washington Post, Iranian strikes damaged or destroyed at least 228 structures or pieces of equipment across 15 U.S. military sites. The report, based on satellite imagery analysis, described attacks on hangars, radar systems, fuel depots, communications facilities, and air defense networks across the region. Bahrain and Kuwait accounted for nearly half of the total damage identified in the investigation. In Bahrain, the U.S. Fifth Fleet headquarters in Manama was among the most significant targets. Satellite images reviewed by the Post showed damage to satellite communications equipment, Patriot missile systems, and facilities linked to naval operations. The strikes also hit Rifah and Isa air bases in Bahrain, where Patriot missile defense equipment was reportedly damaged. Kuwait faced some of the heaviest attacks. The report says multiple American installations, including Camp Arifjan, Ali Al Salim Air Base, and Camp Buring, suffered damage. Radar domes, power facilities, fuel storage sites, and air defense infrastructure were all hit. 6 U.S. service members were also killed in strikes in Kuwait. The investigation further states that Iranian sites managed to damage some of America's most advanced missile defense systems. THAAD radars and associated equipment were hit at Muwafaq Salti Air Base in Jordan, as well as at 2 sites in the United Arab Emirates. Patriot batteries were also targeted across Bahrain and Kuwait, raising questions over the effectiveness of U.S. air defenses against drones and precision missile attacks. In Kuwait, satellite communication sites at Al Udeid Air Base were struck. In Saudi Arabia, an E-3 Sentry Command aircraft and a refueling tanker were reportedly damaged at Prince Sultan Air Base. The report says more than 400 U.S. troops were injured during the conflict, while some bases were considered too dangerous to operate at normal capacity. Defense analysts quoted by the Post said that strikes exposed major gaps in America's regional defense posture, particularly against low-cost drone warfare and precision targeting. For years, the U.S. projected its Gulf-based network as untouchable, but this war has made it clear that Iran managed to strike deep into the heart of America's military architecture across West Asia.